how to create a Fiverr seller account in 2023. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create your seller account in Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing platforms in the world, and for a good reason. It offers a wide range of services at affordable prices, with a user-friendly interface and a focus on trust and security. Fiverr is a versatile and affordable freelancing platform that can be used for a variety of purposes. If you are looking way to outsource tasks or hire freelancers, Fiverr is a great option to consider. And also, if you are finding or looking for a job, you can offer your skills and services in your Fiverr account. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is to sign in to your account. Choose a Google or email or Apple or Facebook account if that's favorable for you. But in my case, let's join in here. So I'm going to show you. If you sign in, you can connect your Google or your email account. I will be choosing this one. Then choose a username. Complete this. Okay, and then the next one would be click that button to continue. Then it's just going to wait while it loads. And now that we are on our Fiverr dashboard, we can now create a seller account. So click on this icon beside orders, then become a seller. Then just click that and click this become a seller. Then just click continue if you want to read this. This is just a instruction on how are we going to create our seller profile. Just hit continue and then click continue, then continue. And then in here, we're going to fill in our personal information such as your first name, display name, your profile picture, and a description or any languages that you know. First is put our name, the display name, complete. Then your profile picture, just upload it in here. And then the description, share about your work experience. Example, I am a web designer. Then you can prolong this and edit this later. I just made a description. I am a web designer that is based in the United States. For example, my skills and expertise are designing websites. I am also a web developer. Let's add our age. I am 23 years old. This is just an example, okay? Then languages, can choose English. Language level can be fluent, and then hit continue. I'm going to upload my profile picture first. The next step would be your professional information. These are the skills, certification, and your experience. You let your potential buyers know them. And then first would be your occupation, which is find it in here. If you're into digital marketing, graphics and design, writing, business, music, programming, video, and so much more. I will click graphics and design. Choose your expertise. For example, graphic design, logo design. You can do also app design, presentation, book, album. You can click as much as you want. I think no, it is only limited to 5 best skills. Sorry, it was stated in here from the year 2019 up to present. And then you can also add new if the list is not in here. Skills, design, for example, LinkedIn banner, Instagram filter designing. Experience if you're beginner, intermediate, and expert. Education, for example, United States, Newport. This is an example. BA programming, computer programming, for example, if you graduated already. And then for the certification, if you have any certificate or award. If you have personal website, you can also link it in here. If you're done with this section, you can hit continue. One skill, punctual. I'm punctual. Experts, continue. And then for the account security, you can provide our email is already provided, and the phone number, you can add your phone number or you may choose not. Your seller profile is all set, and then we have to create our first gig from our account, and we can also edit our profile information anytime. So create your gig. And then in here, you can now offer your services that you have, such as putting the title. I will do graphic designing or web designing, for for example, and then you're gonna pick a category, subcategory. You can put also positive keywords or tags, and then you will create your pricing on how much you wanted to be paid, and then the description and frequently asked questions about your offered skills and services, and then your requirements and your gallery if you have any portfolios or sample works that you have, and then publish and then hit save. And that is it. That is how simply creating a seller account on Fiverr, and that is how you present yourself to the potential clients or customers of your services. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again the next time.